show you some cars of my garage. So let's get started. This is a coupe. So the color is white and yellow, blue and black. And this is a good car. And look, the wheels colors are so good and it can move so fast. We're done with this coupe. Let's go with this. And this is a sports car. And I love this car. And the color is dark blue and look at the shade. It's so clean. And the wheel colors are gold. I like this color. Next, with this. And this is a sports car too. The color is red, kind of a pinkish red. And this is a purple sports car. And the wheels are red too. I like this one too. And this is a sports car too. The color is blue and black too. And this is a sports car. The color is orange and black too. We are done with the sports car. And now the SUV cars. Let's go with this one. Look, this has so many colors. This is a Jeep. The color is purple, light purple, black and pink and green. We're done with this. And this one is SUV. And this is kind of a Jeep. But I think it's a Jeep though. And the color is white and red. Here is a red. Here. And this is a good car. And we are done with the SUV cars. And now the muscle car. Let's start with this one. And look at this car. It only has green and silver. Here is the silver. And this one. It's a muscle car too. And the color is white. And in the door it has some fire design. It's cool. The color is orange and yellow and the line is some green here too. So we are done with the muscle cars and Batman car. This is my daddy's favorite car. This is my favorite car too. And the color is only black and silver. Batman. And we have an addition to our garage. A new car. The color is red and black. So bye friends. This is all for today. Bye.